Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at if it's actually possible to see our card number on our Xbox. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now you might have gone over to your payment methods on Xbox hoping to find your full card number, and you probably ended up seeing a screen like this where all you can see is the last 4 digits of your card number. So is it actually possible to see your entire card number on Xbox? Unfortunately, at this moment in time, it's not actually possible, and this is because of security reasons. This is because if they let you access all of your card details on Xbox, that would mean if your Xbox account got hacked or someone stole your Xbox, they could just go into your account and then also have your credit card details as well, which is a massive security concern. So the way Xbox avoids this is just by giving you the last 4 digits, and you can use those 4 digits to help you identify which card that actually is. Now, if you have actually lost your card and you need to find your card number, what I would suggest to do is just to freeze your card on your online banking and then call up your bank and request a new card. Because there won't be many ways in which you can find your card number unless you have your physical card on you. So I hope I answered your questions for how you can see your card number on Xbox, and I hope you now know that it's not possible. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.